Okay, here's the unboxing of the HD camera. And so you get a remote, cable for data transfer, and charging. Here's the camera. Cables. Battery charger. It's one battery. Two batteries. Lens cover protector. And user manual. Okay, so I'm going to look at the different settings for the camera, and so I'm just going to press the menu button. So you have resolution, and it's touchscreen, 1080p, 720 VGA. You also have AWB, so you have daylight, cloudy, fluorescent, color, standard. You have exposure, different exposure levels, metering, centered, multi-spot. Return button. And so that's pretty much the different settings. Okay, for this setting menu, what you want to do is go to mode. And so you have video, camera, playback setup, slideshow, Wi-Fi. So here's the setup, language, all the different languages, silent mode, on off, frequency, 60 is the US standard, date, time, format, and default, slideshow, you can set up your Wi-Fi. Okay, another thing, right here, this will remove some of the icons and everything, so you can just record without it. You just keep pressing it and it'll come back. Also the light, right here at the top right, it'll produce, see, a light will turn on, let's turn it off, press it again. And I like that it has a mic, so you could do external mic. And here's the, you just pull this out and you can add it up there. Okay, the battery compartment is located at the bottom, and so you just lift it, and to take it out you just press, and here's where the memory is. You need to insert there.